Today's video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. Thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. As many of you guys may know now, Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry brand based in New York, and I've been working with Ana Luisa for quite some time, and I can assure that Ana Luisa is such an amazing brand. Ana Luisa has a wide variety of different jewelry pieces and different styles to fit anyone's unique taste, and they're currently having their Valentine's Day sale with buy one get one 40% off. Their jewelry pieces are extremely high in quality but are available for a more affordable price. Most importantly, the jewelry pieces made by Ana Luisa are sustainable. All of the pieces are made with recycled materials and are carbon neutral. They make their products in limited batches to reduce any waste, and Ana Luisa also offers reduced packaging at checkout for those who would like an even more sustainable option. Sustainability is something you value. I would highly recommend Ana Luisa as a place to find some jewelry pieces for gift ideas for your loved ones or even yourself, because we all deserve a gift. Whenever I need to find a gift for someone, Ana Luisa is definitely one of the first places that comes to my mind. A perfect place to gift elegant jewelry pieces is someone you care about with their long wear, sustainable brand, and wide variety. Another idea I have is getting matching zodiac theme pieces for your best friend or someone you really love. Also, please don't forget to treat yourself once in a while with something you know you would love. I was sent 3 new pieces this month, which includes this gorgeous butterfly bracelet, a personal letter necklace in J for Justine, and these heart earrings that were made in collaboration with Nina. I was absolutely in love with these new pieces as they all match my usual personal taste. I'm always looking for butterfly, heart, and initial themed jewelry items, and all 3 of these are perfect. Especially the heart hoop earrings are perfect for Valentine's Day. Don't forget to check out the link below to explore Ana Luisa's Valentine's Day sale with buy one get one 40% off to find a gift for your loved ones. Special thanks to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video.
완전히 연애 고수네.
연애 고수는 무슨 키야 잘 알죠?
It's 5:50 something and I feel so empty inside. The sun is going down, the sky is turning red. Sparkling clouds around, or do I just get drunk? Well, it doesn't matter as long as it looks warm. Maybe I'm better if just get alone. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful, not talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. The sound of their love and their funny talk, it's getting so loud as I keep thinking of those moments. I miss the times where I don't have to think so deeply, where I don't have to understand what does life mean. Maybe I'm better if just get alone. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful, not talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. It's not actually good to be alone by yourself. From what I've been hiding, it's better if you have someone you can speak to, even if it's only